What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over SPX6900. It perfectly hit our target. Saw the pullback and continuation, exactly what we're looking for. If you're interested in SPX6900 and flipping the stock market, make sure to subscribe, smash that like button. So we're sitting at $1.59, up 16% on the day. Market cap 1.48 billion, 24-hour volume 119 million. So after the Trump coin got released, we saw a lot of liquidity exiting memes, and now they're re-entering the strongest one. So we have XBX, we have Giga, another coin that I gave in the Discord, USA. Just did an 8x. Now it's at a 6x, but it did an 8x in one day. It's the meme coin for the country USA. And I'll just pop it open quickly. I gave the signal in my Discord saying, look into this meme coin 100x potential. I have been dollar cost averaging for, I think, over a month. And I got 10K of it, and it just pushed to 80K in a single day, which is the most insane return I've ever seen in my crypto journey personally for myself. So SPX 6900, you can gain completely free access to my trading group at the end of the video. Just hang around. We were looking for the wave 3 to push to 152. It perfectly did that. Pulled back in a 4, and now it's pushing back up in a wave 5. Now, of course, due to the massive amount of interest in SPX, it can just explode, and it's a meme coin. But what you would normally do is take a trend-based extension from the bottom of 2 to the top of 3 to the bottom of 4. It's already hit the first target, and then your next two targets for the wave 5 are $1.73 and all the way up at $1.86, but it's already done everything it needs to. Of course, if it just flies past these price targets, don't blame me. These things happen in a bull market, especially for meme coins, but we have already reached the first target for the wave 5, but these are the next two targets. And normally what would happen is you'd push up, that'd be the completion of the 5-wave move. Completing a larger wave 1, you pull back, and then you see continuation. So if we zoom out here, I can show you the larger wave count and targets to watch for going forward. So with this chart on CoinEx, we have the wave 1 up. Of course, this could be inaccurate due to lack of chart, but wave 2 pullback, and then your wave 3 will take you up to $2.80. So that's what we're looking at for XBX. I'm not personally trading it. I'm holding on to it just to believe in something. I am trading all the other coins, obviously. We're in 5 trades right now. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, all you have to do is take 30 seconds of your time and sign up to Bitfinex. Once you sign up, send me email. That's all it takes. Completely free access to my daily crypto analysis for many, many projects. My exact crypto trade setups were in 5 trades. My Forex signals. You can see what I'm invested in, when I'm taking my profits. A $50 to $100 a month value, in my opinion, completely for free if you take 30 seconds of your time. You can invest into SPX on Bitfinex. No KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including North America. Just sign up, take the 30 seconds, send me an email. That's all you have to do. I'll send you the link. All links down below. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new. See you in the next one. Much love. Take care.